Hello everyone, this is Caesar with Custom Alignments. Today we are continuing the intake manifold assembly repair. We just finished cleaning all the surfaces and the throttle body assembly. This intake manifold is almost complete, still missing a couple parts, but just for now we only have the main components to get the engine started. As you can see, we replaced all the hoses for the PCV valve system. We replaced the NOx sensor because the old one, you can see, was cracked. The intake, only the manifold gasket was super worn out. All the hoses, see, they were all swollen and worn out. So we just finished installing the main components: throttle body, gaskets. We installed the 2 bypass plugs. So next is mounting the intake manifold assembly, and we'll go from there. All right, let's mount that. All right, just finished installing the intake manifold upper plenum. We're now making sure the lower one is good. We did have to find this custom bolt to plug up this entry, because there you go. Okay, now we're going to install the lower plenum onto the manifold and go from there. All right. Okay, lower intake manifold assembly is installed. Next are the belts and the wiring, and then we can test it out. So let's do that right now. Okay, just finished installing everything. So next video is when we test it out one more time before we install it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching, and to be continued on the next video.